Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the questions I've seen a few times in the past couple of days, following, of course, Windows 11 22H2 blocks. So a lot of computers don't see the update because there's problems that arose after the release. And of course, some of the things like sluggishness in the transfer files that doesn't have a fix yet. A lot of you have been asking me if the 22H2 version of Windows 10 could be plagued with the same problems, and should we avoid, going there immediately. So I've been running 22H2 here because I'm in release preview, and we know that we're days away from this update to be released everywhere. In short, no, there will not be any of those problems in Windows 10 for a very simple reason. This update is not at all the same as the update that was on Windows 11. Windows 11 truly was a big update with new features, plus new features coming in October. So there's a lot of changes. There's a lot of things that have been moved around, changed, and modified. So it's really a big update compared to this 22H2, which is a simple enablement package, which means it turns on some stuff and some features at the heart of Windows 10, and not a lot of them, just a few things, but they're already there. They're not adding anything. So there's really no adding of features, and there's none of the features or the things that are changing in Windows 11 that are changing in Windows 10. We're essentially just in the same version as 21H2 with a couple of switches turned on for some features internally, and that's it. So there would not be and will not be a slowdown of the file explorer or the file transfers in Windows 10. It's not going to happen. There's not going to be anything blocked in Windows 10 22H2 pretty much that wasn't already blocked for those that didn't see Windows 10 21H2. So essentially this is not at all the same thing. So there's no worries about having the problems that you could see in Windows 11 22H2 happening to Windows 10 22H2. It is an extremely small update, so really no one should see pretty much any difference. I don't think this update, you never know. Microsoft is Microsoft, but I don't think this update can break anything. Honestly, it really doesn't do almost anything. It updates the number of the build, and it switches on a couple of internal features that most people never use, and that you won't even see on the surface. So basically, it shouldn't be much of a problem on Windows 10. So, when we say boring is better, well, sometimes boring is better. And, this helps you continue with Windows 10. Remember, once again, a lot of people are mixed up with that and have a hard time understanding that Windows 10 is supported until the end of 2025, yes. But in order for you to go up to there, you have to update to all of these little updates that you get in Windows 10, which means this 22H2 that's coming out soon, you'll have to move on to that at some point, because that's going to give you 18 months more. So every time there's a new feature update or a new update, they call it feature, but there are no features, you have to move on to it so that you get the extra time. And that's going to happen until you reach 2025, and there's going to be that final update. That's going to be the end of Windows 10 in October, November 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.